Beef tacos tonight?
Yeah, honey, your favorite.
When you know beef is what's for dinner, it adds extra zip to your day. Beef, it's what's for dinner. This video is brought to you by Alienware, featuring Intel Core i7 processors. Start gaming.
Start streaming from scratch. We'll download OBS, go through the settings and even set up a little overlay. Firstly, if you're going to be streaming and playing games and have a smooth experience, you're going to need a decent system to do it on. In today's video, I'll be using the new Alienware X51, a small form factor gaming system that's perfect for streaming games like CS system for me, and if you want to learn more about it, there's a link down in the description below. If you don't have a system like this, you can still stream though. I'd recommend a modern Intel or AMD quad-core processor, something like an i5-2500K or equivalent option in my opinion. Click on the big green button, run OBS, and we can start to get into the program itself. We first want to change certain settings before we do anything else. Head up to settings and then settings again. We're going to change a few things in here. Go to encoding on the left, and here we can set the bitrate that we're going to stream at. This depends really on how fast doesn't want anyone, then you'll have people watching that you're going to get. X4, which basically means that you're using the power of your pro. Enable CBR padding are checked, and set your streaming service to what you plan on using. Most likely it's going to be Twitch. Settings, I can't show you my unique key, and you should make sure that you never show the bottom left, and it will set what it needs to for Twitch automatically without us having to worry about it. Next, we move on to the video settings. Here your base resolution will be your native monitor resolution. For most people that's probably going to 30 FPS. I play most FPS games, so I go for default unless you're using an audio device that isn't your default, in which case you'll need to select them directly. Pretty good. Okay, so now we're literally ready to stream. If you hit start stream right now, you'll be live on your Twitch channel, but well, we wouldn't exactly be streaming much, would we, because we haven't set anything up yet. Let's add a basic game to our main scene, and to do that it's really simple. I've now got CSGO running in the background, so all I need to do is right click
NZXT's Cam. Monitor your computer while playing games.
Updated version. A lot of you guys are happy. In the corner up there, and you should see my previous video where I explain how to create the account. So I'm not going to do that right now because I already have a video, so you can watch it if you want to see how it's done. So anyways, I'm going to open up my Twitch TV account, going to click dashboard, and let's open up OBS. Here is the OBS. So first thing you guys want to do is click profile, click new, and let's name this profile. I'm going to name it tutorial stream 1. Okay, so let's go ahead, open up settings, make sure tutorial 1 stream selected, go to encoding, make sure you select all of this, just copy what I did. So let me explain to you guys really quick what this bitrate thing is. This is essentially your internet speed. So what you want to do is open up speed test, go down here under speed measurement, and make my upload speed to 1000. So basically, this is what we have. Now you gotta do the math, you gotta calculate in 360p quality, so your quality is gonna be like this. The minimum number you can put in here is 700, the maximum number you can put in here is 3000. Play offline game. If you play online game, take 300 away from this. If you guys have huge upload speeds, like some people have over 4000, and you're gonna get a bunch of warnings down here, don't bother yourself with that right now. Get your stream key, so I understand, copy it, double click, copy it, make sure there are no spaces, okay? Paste it over here, right click, paste. Now, over here, let's click apply first. Now we have a bunch of settings we have to change. Video settings, set base resolution to an aspect ratio of 16:9. So let's go to our video. Let's put it to super fast and apply. So if we go back to broadcast settings, you get different warnings, so just follow what they say and you hotkeys. You have a bunch of stuff over here. This is what I use. You can copy mine stuff. And that's it for now. Let's click OK. And we are basically ready to go. Now what we want to do is, first we have to create a scene, what we're going to show to our viewers, okay? So let's right click over here in the empty space, click add scene, and I'm going to call it tutorial scene. Okay, so now over here we have to add source, now that we have our scene. So basically our scenery is set, so what's our source? What are we going to show to our viewers? So I'm just going to, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys the solitaire, as I did in previous videos. So let me explain what you have to do. Open up the game. Please make sure you got the game open first. Then go to sources, right click add, and then go to game capture. And name your game capture thing, whatever it is. Click, I'm just going to name it solitaire. And over here under application, we select the solitaire. Make sure you click refresh if there's nothing on the list. Solitaire, okay. Okay, nothing's showing up yet. Now we click start streaming. You can also click preview stream if you want to. So as you can see, everything is black. This is a preview only. So let's first see what do we have here. Over here we have our status bar. Basically it's telling us what's happening. This is how long we've been streaming. This is how many frames we dropped. That's basically, if you're dropping frames, that means you are lagging, okay? This is how many frames per second we have, and over here we have our internet speed. If this box is green, that means everything is okay. If it gets yellow, you should be careful, your internet is getting slower, and if it gets red, you're fucked. So make sure it stays green. So now we basically click on solitaire, and we wait, and it should show up on the screen. So you can see it just showed up. If I close it, it disappears, so I gotta open it again. If I open it up again, make sure you click on it, okay? So select it and wait a little bit. Make sure, play the game a little bit and it should show up here. Okay, let me show you guys with League of Legends, for example. Okay, so here we have League of Legends open. Now, with League of Legends, it's a little bit different. League of Legends has a client and it has a game, so you have two sources you gotta put in. So, let's remove solitaire, right click, remove. Yes. Now right click add, and we're gonna add game capture. We're gonna name it League of Legends LOL client. Hit OK. And now under here it says LOL client PvP client net, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't try to jump out already and do this walking around faster. Get, come on. Come on, Baba.
You are a turd. Pooping in my room.